Girl, give me something, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a different type of video. I'm going to do a unboxing of Beauty Forever hair, and I've been actually using Beauty Forever hair for, I want to say, almost a year. I ordered, oh actually I'm lying. I want to say maybe about almost a year, maybe 9 months. I started ordering hair from them. I've ordered hair 4 times. This is my, I want to say, 5th time ordering hair for them. And actually I have in Beauty Forever hair right now, and this is just a high ponytail, and I make my I made it into a wig, and it has a 16-inch frontal, but actually the frontal, if you can see, is pushed back. And I just put my little headband here to camouflage and finesse that situation. And I just have it pulled up in a high ponytail. And the inches that I have in right now are, I had a 16-inch closure, 16, 18, actually, dang, I don't know what it was. I think it's 16-inch closure, 16-inch, 18-inch, and a 20-inch, but I've actually cut the hair. So when it's in its natural, well, not natural state, but when it's pulled down, it's like probably to here, and it's layered. But I kind of messed the frontal up, over bleaching the knots and stuff, and just hair coming out and stuff. So usually when I do wear this, I usually either wear it up in a high ponytail like so. Alright, so let's on to the, I have some, see it messing with my hair now, I got stuff into it. But anyways, so let's go to this. Right here, Beauty Forever. I got some good lighting because it's daylight, so that's something new. Alrighty, so I ordered a 18-inch closure, a 20, 22, and a 24, and I got it in the Malaysian curly. So the 24, I'll take it out the package. I don't know why I'm showing you inside the package. You don't want to see that. But anyways, and guess what? I actually ordered my hair. I always order my Beauty Forever hair from Amazon. I ordered from them once through their regular website, and the shipping came really fast. I got it like in 3 days, I want to say, but when I order from Amazon, I get it in 2 days. And this is how Amazon ships the package. I'm just gonna blur out my address, but yeah, they send it like this in a bag inside the box. So my friends have ordered hair from Beauty Forever, and they just got it sent like in a UPS bag, and it was just in the bag, just like so. No box, no care instructions, no invoice or anything. So I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if ordering it from them directly, they ship it like that, and maybe Amazon does the boxes like this. I have no idea, because the first time that I ordered my hair, I did order it through Beauty Forever, and it did come in a box. So like I said, this is the 24-inch, and it is like so. And then this is the weft. I don't think you can see it, kind of went dark, but anyways, here's the weft, and it does not have a smell. It just doesn't stink. It doesn't smell like, sometimes the hair will smell like toxic-y, or kind of like it's been processed, but this is supposed to be unprocessed hair, and this is in the Malaysian curly. And oh, it feels so nice and soft. So what I normally will do is, when I get the hair, I will wash it, condition it. Sometimes I dye it to a dark black, but since I'm not making a U-part wig, because a lot of times I do a U-part wig, I usually dye the hair black because my natural hair is black. But since I'm not dyeing anything and I have a frontal, I won't be dyeing the hair. And this is the 20-inch, like so. And it's so nice and shiny. Oh, I can't wait to do this wig. So when I make my wigs, I have a mannequin head that I use. Not the plastic, the little foam one, but I actually have a real mannequin head that I ordered from Amazon, and I got it for like, I want to say 28 bucks. Okay, now this is the 22-inch, And if I were making a U part, I probably would have got 4 bundles, but since I have a frontal, I'm not going to use a 20, I'm not going to use 4 bundles. And then this is the 22 inch. And hair smells the same with this one. And let me see the other one that I just, the 20 inch. Yep. They all smell the same, and this has a nice smell to it. Doesn't stink at all. Okay. And this is the 20 inch. And how I make my wigs is I just buy a mesh dome cap, and I have normally in the past I use nylon thread, and I just sew in the wefts onto the wig cap. But I found a faster way of doing it, and of course found that out through YouTube. And the way I do it is using a hot glue gun, and that, oh my gosh, I can do a wig in probably, like, want to say 45 minutes. And normally if I do sew a wig, it can take me anywhere from 3 hours, three and a half hours. So when I found out that method, I was just like so excited about that. Okay, onto the frontal, So the frontal I got in a 18 inch. I would have preferred to have it in a 20 inch, but when I ordered on Amazon, they don't have all the options that you would get if you were ordering it directly through Beauty Forever. What I don't like is why they have this plastic little thing here. Why would they put like a plastic tie onto the lace? I don't know, but I don't want to rip it, but I guess I could rip it because I'm not wearing the frontal all the way down there. But anyways, this is the frontal, like so. And I don't think it's pre-plucked, but I'll probably have to do some plucking, and I will bleach the knots. And it's like so. Really nice. Up close. Yeah, so I just wanted to do that unboxing of the hair, and when I do the wig, I will show you guys what the wig looks like after I am done with it. So I'm actually really excited about this. I can't wait to make this. I'll probably make this either later on tonight or tomorrow. Probably tonight because I'm excited. Oh, actually I can't do it tonight because I don't have any bleach, and I need to bleach these knots. And I need some, I guess I could go out later, but nah, I was already out today. So I'll probably do it tomorrow. So I actually want to go ahead and show you guys how my friend got her hair sent to her, and she ordered hers from Beauty Forever, and she just ordered it. And the reason why I have it is because I make her wigs for her as well. So she got it like so. I'm just going to X out her address here, but she just got it just like so in a UPS bag like this. And the hair just came like this. Nothing else is in the bag. Like so. No box, no instructions, no nothing, no invoice at all. She got her hair pretty fast though, I will say that, but just since I have the hair, I'll just show you the type of hair that she has, and I'm going to do a U-part wig for her. That's what I normally do for her when I make her wigs. And she got Indian deep wave. Okay, so I'll just show you the curl pattern of her. And actually, you know what? Her hair actually does have a little smell to it. Not bad, but it just smells like it's, I don't know. It just has a smell to it. It's not bad, but it just has a smell to it. And this one was a 22 inch here. Okay. And then this is the weft on it. And she actually ordered 3 20 inches, but they sent her a 22 inch, as you can see here. They sent her a 22 inch, and then the other 2 are 20 inches. Okay, let me just show you the other one. I don't need to show you the same thing, but I don't need to show you the other bundle because it's the same thing. It's a 20. And then here's the hair, like so. And I will wash and condition her hair too. And this one kind of has it has a smell to it, but it's not a bad smell. It just has a smell to it. It just smells like processed hair, basically. And there you go. And if you don't know what processed hair smells like, I'm pretty sure only, not only, but, or people who do black people hair, like, it just smells like it has like some chemicals in it. Like when you get a relaxer, when I don't relax my hair anymore, but I used to relax my hair, and it just smells like it has chemicals in it. But yeah, but the hair is really nice. No complaints. No shedding when I'm bringing my hands down here. But all hair sheds, and I don't know why people say, oh, this hair does not shed at all. You're a lie. All hair sheds. I don't care what brand of hair you have. The hair is going to shed. Now, minimal shedding is good to me, but if the hair is shedding to the point where you have clumps, and I've seen people talk about how they have clumps of hair in their hand, and they've actually showed it of the hair coming out, now that's a problem. That's bad hair. It's a very bad hair. But I've been having really good experiences with Beauty Forever, and I will continue using them. They're very affordable. I didn't tell you how much I paid for my hair. So for the 18 inch closure and the 20, 22, and 24, that whole deal cost me $214, and I am a member, or actually I shouldn't say I'm a member, but my sister has Prime, and we all use her Amazon Prime account, so there was no, the shipping was free. Now for my friend's hair, I actually don't know how much she paid for her 3 bundles. I honestly, I really don't know, but it wouldn't have been the $213 like mine, because I end up getting longer bundles, and I got a closure. But you know what was so funny, and I was telling my, well, not funny, but was amusing to me, is that I told my friend that it was cheaper when I bought the hair on Amazon, because when I went online to buy it, to look at it through Beauty Forever, because I actually wanted to get all one length, instead of getting the 3 different lengths, because I actually really like to get all one length, so it's not like, I'll probably end up cutting that hair and just kind of molding it a little bit better, so it's not like, okay, the 20, 24, or 22, whatever dimensions that I got it, like, you know, like so. So, that when I went online with an 18 inch closure, and I was going to get an 18 inch and 2 22s, that was that came up to $218, but you did get $7 off. But I ended up getting like a 20, 22, and 24, and that was $213. So if I were to get it on Beauty Forever, I think I saw it was going to be $223 or $230. So it was cheaper for me to get it on Amazon, and I got it really quick, guaranteed 2-day shipping, no problem, and I got it in a box. So I just wanted to come back and show you guys, or tell you guys that about her experience with the hair, sending it just like so, UPS, and I think somebody did have to sign for it. I did not have to sign for mine. It just depends on where you live and who your delivery person is. So I've been here for a long time, and my delivery guy knows who I am, and I have a gate in my house, so they'll just toss it all the way back far through the gate, and that works for me. So yeah, I just thought I'd come back and let you guys know that, and how her hair got shipped to her and how my hair got shipped to me. Okay, so that's it. And on the box, it tells you what you ordered, the lengths and stuff like that. And oh, I forgot to say I got something free. They gave me some eyelashes. Hold on, dropped it. Okay, eyelashes right here. I don't wear eyelashes. I'll probably give them to my sister. My sister wears them sometimes. I don't know how to wear eyelashes. If I did, I would put them on, but I don't know how to do it. But on the back of the box, it just tells you how to care for the hair and stuff like that. So I think it's really unfortunate that my friends who ordered the hair did not get their hair in a nice box like this, because it doesn't have how to, you know, care for the hair and stuff not to do. And I mean, it's, to me, everything's all about packaging, and I like how this came here. So stay tuned for the video for the wig that I've after I make it. I will definitely come back online and show you guys. I would do a video of how to make them, but I don't know about that. I'll think about it. But anyways, I'll come back with the video of the hair already constructed and on my head. All right, so that's going to end my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that a Beauty Forever unboxing. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down. Leave them in the comments below. Also, I did have, if you do order directly from Beauty Forever, they have like $7 off for this weekend. But anyways, yeah, so that's it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you guys later. Bye.